Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be putting together a detail kit that's going to cover every aspect of a detail, a standard detail, minus polishing and correction, using all Pal Automotive products. So to begin with the wash process, we're going to start with our Suds Pro Cherry Glow. This is a heavily concentrated soap designed for thick suds, meant for you to grab dirt on the contactless wash, where it'll grab the dirt and it'll grab down to the bottom, and that actually makes your contact step a lot safer because it grabs that dirt and it pulls it down all the way down to the floor for you. Now, to move over a little bit more aggressive decontamination for things like your paint, your wheels, even ceramic coating safe, is our iron decontamination spray, Iron Pro. You simply spray it on, you let it sit. The chemical reaction, when it reacts to iron and carbon buildup, it will become red. As you can see, it will start to work and drip down, and then you simply rinse off when you're done. Now, you can use it for wheels, but it's really meant for paint decontamination to really get your clear coat, decontaminated and clean and ready for any type of later protection you're going to put on there. And speaking of protection, we also have our in-house sealant, which is Bead-Pro. It's a phenomenal sealant. You spray it on, it's silicone based, and you can do either a wet application if you've already got some protection on your vehicle, or you can put it on as a dry application for an initial layer of protection. So once your vehicle is washed, we're going to spray on and rinse it right off, and you're going to see the water repellency is immediate. Now, if you want to do the dry method, you're going to wash the vehicle, we're going to dry it, and then as the vehicle panels are dry, we spray on, and then we buff in with a clean microfiber towel. And to continue with that, we've got our Shine Ease. This is going to add some UV protection coating to your plastic trim, as well as bring back that nice, clean, new OEM look. Because sometimes, your plastic trim gets faded from UV sunlight or the elements of being exposed outside. This is really going to help take care of it as well as protect it. And then we move on to our glass. The glass is very important. You've got to be able to see, and we've got a phenomenal glass cleaner here, made in USA, and it's only $4.99. Simply spray it on, let it sit, ammonia-free, tin-safe, wipe away. And we move on to our interior protectant. This is a matte mist. It leaves a nice, no greasy, streak-free, grease-free, shine-free, OEM matte look with added UV protection to your interior plastic and trim pieces. And being in an aerosol version, you can really use it to get in those nooks and crannies and hard-to-reach places. So this is a fantastic product. All right, next up, let's talk about wheels and wheel cleaning and metal cleaning. We've got two products here from Pal Automotive. We have a non-acid-based high alkali formula specifically meant to break down brake dust and heavy grime on most types of wheels and metal surfaces. It's also good for ceramic coated wheels, so it's safe there, very effective, and it's actually concentrated to a 1 to 4 dilutions. 1 gallon will make 5 gallons of solution. If you're going to put it in your spray bottle, about 2-3 ounces and about 16-ish ounces of water, and that'll get you a really good solution for wheel cleaning, engine degreasing. It's a fantastic product. Now, if we need heavier, aggressive cleaning in forms of deep grease, oil, road grime, things that are attached to your engine bay, construction vehicles. I know those wheel wells and those engine bays get really dirty. A salt acid-based cleaner, get the job done. Now this stuff is very, very strong, so you can use it straight up, or you can do a dilution ratio as per the instructions, and it will get you a really, really good clean. Just be sure to not let this stuff sit and dry onto the surface that you put it onto, because it can damage it. So there's just a warning there, but these are fantastic metal cleaners. Now it's time to move on to one of my favorite Pal products, and that is our CitraClean all-purpose cleaner. It's an industrial strength cleaner that is a concentrate, so as the instructions, it does make 5 gallons of cleaner, this 1 gallon, so it's about a 1 to 4 dilution ratio, and it is safe and effective on nearly all surfaces, upholstery, engine bays, plastics, metals, wheels. You can use it on a lot. It's safe, and effective. It's an industrial strength, so you can use it for pretty much anywhere of your detail, whether it be heavy grime areas or you do a light concentrate, and you can use it on upholstery, leather cleaning. It's your go-to all-purpose cleaner, and it's got a really strong citrus smell, so that helps too, make things feel clean. And last, but certainly not least, we have our Jersey Shine Quick Detail Spray. This is a fantastic way to keep your ride clean in between details and washes. If your car's got a little bit of dust, dirt, fingerprints, just spray this stuff on, wipe off. It is already pre-diluted, so all you gotta do is just pour this straight from your 1 gallon into your spray bottle and spray on, wipe off, and you're good to go for your next car show, event, just hanging out with the guys at Cars and Coffee, whatever you want. This is gonna be really, really good in terms of just a light, quick clean, remove fingerprints, smudges, get the dirt and dust off, and it's bubblegum scented, so it smells very good. And there you go. Everything you need to make a standard detail kit, brought to you by Pal Automotive. All of our products were developed to provide professional level results with beginner level effort. And remember guys, use code PAL10 to get 10% off your next order at palautomotive.com.